Hey, my name is Benedikt. Welcome to the Swiss IT Forum here in Genf with Plat4mation, and happy to give you a quick introduction of what I'm actually doing. Plat4mation is an elite partner of ServiceNow, ServiceNow Enterprise Service Platform, and yeah, we're helping our clients with implementing various services and improve their workflows and automate them.
What do you do?
I'm working in sales, working as an account manager, and I mainly help our clients in the Swiss-German region, but of course we are serving all of our clients here in Switzerland.
Where's the company based?
We are originally from the Netherlands. I founded 11 years ago, and here in Switzerland we are more than 3.5 years ago. And yeah, we expanded our offices just from Winterthur, and now we have an office in Lausanne, and also helping our customers here in the Romandie.
So what do we see on the screen here?
Here you see something that we are of course very proud of, our partner status with ServiceNow. We are elite partner, which is basically the highest tier of ServiceNow partnership. That means we are implementation partner, consulting partner, developing applications. And yeah, here you see an overview of a few of our numbers. There's some figures. We are around 500 people around the globe and over 50 here in Switzerland. And basically that's what we do. We make workflow, so we really help our clients to improve their workflows, reduce overhead with basically 3 different main pillars, or advisory services, to help our clients define a strategy, a roadmap, and then implement a technical solution on top of that. But we also make sure that the processes behind it are taken in consideration, so to really make the most out of the ServiceNow platform, which is very powerful.
ServiceNow sounds like people want to have ServiceNow, right?
Exactly.
What is it about?
Exactly. ServiceNow is a company or like a solution that was founded with the purpose of really making things easier, especially in the let's say in the evolving demands that an enterprise platform has, right? An enterprise company as well, to ease up the processes for IT service management, customer service management, but now expanding in all different regions like risk and compliance issues, HR. So really about, it's called the platform of platforms, of being like the true.
Like here, I see a lot of stuff here.
That's a lot of that's our customers. So we are basically in all different industries that we are helping our customers.
And what is the technology you use?
The technology is called ServiceNow, basically.
That's the ServiceNow.
That's the software.
That's the platform.
That's the platform, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Is it include ERP, CRM, and everything, or what does it do?
Basically, it's connecting all those platforms, right? So we are like this. Let's say the source of truth, or like the data is stored in, for example, SAP. Here you see an example that we are working with HR platforms like SAP Concur, Fury, in payment terms, just to connect all those workflows and make this very, very efficient. And here you see an overview. There's a lot we can accomplish with ServiceNow with a lot of different use cases. And it's really about, here you see the specific HR service delivery, really from the onboarding of an employee, of making sure he got all the devices that he needs, make sure that all like the processes are in place from the on to the offboarding, something we can support as well. Yeah.
So for example, for the Swiss market, how would you say what you offer is special compared to everything else?
I mean, ServiceNow per se is, I would say, second to none in what ServiceNow offers, right? Like the complexity, or like the range of services that we offer is really second to none. You have a lot of point solutions, but really what sets ServiceNow apart is the holistic approach of taking all of those different models in one platform, which reduces a lot of like point solutions, as I said, and that's something we're really proud of bringing to the Swiss market as well.
There is a technological method of improving business efficiency, right? And I guess there's a lot of knowledge in knowing how to get things done the best way, most efficient, maximizing revenue, profits, and everything.
Exactly. I mean, on one side you have like the platform, the technology, right? But on the other hand, the processes behind it. It's also very important to not overlook that, right? Because if you have a platform that is as powerful as ServiceNow, it's very important that you also take the organization as a whole on the whole journey, to really improve the processes, take them by the hand, and make sure that you get the most out of the platform, the most value that you have. Here you see some assessments that we also offer. So really the range that Plat4mation itself offers is widely, from the consultancy service to implementing ServiceNow to also managing services of ServiceNow instances.
And does your company, Plat4mation, have customers around the world?
Oh yeah, definitely. We are in over 10 countries. So from, as I said, from the Netherlands, we went into the Benelux. Now we are in the DACH region, Austria, Switzerland, Germany, the United States. We have customers in Spain, but also, of course, the big global companies that we offer, that we have in our customer base, are mainly like enterprise customers, and they, of course, they are also like worldwide. Yeah.
What would you say is your competitor?
Our competitor, like, of course.
And how you would say you better, or you know?
Of course, ServiceNow has a lot of partners, right? What we really offer is that we only focus on ServiceNow. We have nothing else in our portfolio, so our focus is really completely on ServiceNow. So all our development, our expertise is built slowly on ServiceNow. We're not focusing anything else. We don't have any interest to sell anything else, and I think that sets us as apart. That our expertise is really bundled and laser focused on ServiceNow.
How much development can be done on ServiceNow?
Oh, basically endless. ServiceNow is a platform that's based on low code, no code. So you have a lot of things out of the box, coming from ServiceNow, a lot of ServiceNow modules. But on top of that, that's also something we are very famous for. Plat4mation is developing applications based on the ServiceNow platform. So that means if there are use cases that are very, very specific to certain companies, no problem. We can build an application that really fits their needs, tailored to very specific use cases in the same governance and security and data model that the ServiceNow platform already offers.
So how many companies need a customization compared to just using existing methods?
Oh, that differs like a lot. It really depends. There are like clients that have ServiceNow out of the box with a lot of modules, but still develop like very specific use cases. Or there are clients that don't use ServiceNow, but only like a custom application that we use for them, right? I can give you an example of a custom application, especially here in Switzerland, the EDA, the Minister for Foreign Affairs, right? They had a lot of problems with like managing the moving of all of the ambassadors, and there was no solution on the market that really helped to put all these processes like in one place and streamline everything, because there was a lot of manual work, a lot of Excel list, a lot of room for failures as well. And we developed a solution that really automates the process of getting getting an ambassador in the system, and also then
tracking them,
tracking all the goods, helping them with getting all the documents, the papers they need, organizing movement companies, everything within the platform. Also in the platform, for example, the moving companies, they can bid within the platform. You have a very like a closed process, an end-to-end process, which we got very good feedback from, and that's just one example that we.
For example, the Swiss government, if they can tell their voters that they can find ways to optimize processes and the way they work, that's a great thing, right?
We definitely also have a lot of.
The administration can be optimized.
It's exactly, and that's something we do at the moment. We have done already, but we are still expanding in this area. We have various, let's say, cantons right here in Switzerland that are using ServiceNow with us as a partner to really like optimize their processes to help their, like let's say the population,
the citizen,
exactly. Thanks.
To get support from the canton.
To get better and more efficient support. That's I think like the key, right? To streamline the process. Also like internal, but also external for the civilization, right?
And it's much more enjoyable job for an administrating job
100%.
if you don't have to waste time on boring things. If you can focus on your competency and get the system to help you, right?
Yeah, exactly. I think that's 100% what we're trying to achieve. That we help like not only the clients as overall, but like the individuals per se to be more efficient in their job. Yeah, have more time for really, let's say, value producing activities instead of just spending time with manual tasks that can be automated with an ease. Yeah.
So is a lot of your business to sit down with the customer first, figure out how you can be helpful and what needs to be done, and that's a big part of the job, to figure out what is a good solution before you actually start doing it?
That's the most important thing. Yeah, we really need to understand in the beginning where is our client at the moment, where do we want to go, because there are like different levels of maturity, right? You need to understand how much support do they need, what is the outcome they try to achieve, and then tailor the solution really to the customer's need. And then we see, for example, okay, do we go out of the box, do we go for a custom application, what is the right solution? And that's everything starts with, I think it was shown on one of the pillars, everything starts with a consultancy, right? To really make the best solution and to help to get like the best value out of ServiceNow.
And I guess the way you charge for the consultancy fee is a standard consultancy kind of a method, or how does it work? the pricing of your services?
Yeah, I would say it's pretty standard in the consultancy area, right? We have like daily rates that are discussed with our clients, but we also offer for specific bundles, we have fixed prices because we have so many best practices, so many experience with those projects that we know exactly what works well, and that's something we can basically copy paste with customers. But of course, there's always very important to understand where we need to go.
How many people in your company in Switzerland, for example?
Over 50 now.
50?
Yes.
And in the world?
In the world, we are like over 500 now.
So I guess inside your company, you're dogfooding all these solutions to optimize your processes internally.
Definitely.
Also. And then when you know what works for you, you might suggest it for others.
I mean, of course, it's pretty obvious for us to use ServiceNow because it's basically what we are living, what we are breathing, right? So we are using ServiceNow heavily internally. We're building our own apps. We are using a lot of out-of-the-box functionalities. We love ServiceNow. That's our passion. That's what we do, right? And
what is the language, the coding language in ServiceNow?
So you have basically all the different possibilities. You have JavaScript. Oh, that's something I would need to ask one of our technical colleagues.
So it's compatible with many platforms somehow.
Yeah, 100%. Basically, you can integrate everything with ServiceNow. That's like the strength that you pull the information from a lot of different sources and bundle it in one, how they say, single pane of glass. Yeah, in the end. And also for that, we developed like application that's called a connector for you that even like eases this process even more and makes this integration work easier.